Hi friends, welcome to Pennas.in. In today's video, we are going to see a short review on Airmail Wality 69TS, an eyedropper fountain pen. And the pen has a silver trim set, that is a silver clip and a silver ring on the cap. T means transparent body, and S means short, as this one is a shorter pen comparing to 69T. And the cap held on a threading mechanism, so to open you need to unscrew the cap, and there is a breather hole in this cap, which prevents the ink from clogging, and it maintains a balanced atmospheric pressure, so that the ink does not leak or wrap ink through the nibs. And here this is a number 4 nib, a gold plated nib with a medium tip, and you can swap the nib as you like. Since we have a number 4 nib in many brands, usually pen enthusiast will swap the nib in can red nibs, so where you can have a fine, medium, broad, and with golden or with the dual tone or with silver plated nibs. And you can use a flex nib, also can be swapped in this pen. And for that you can go to our site and click pen spares, and go to nibs. There you can use a filter and make a query on what you require. And here, since the holding area diameter is a short one, a small one, this pen is more suitable for little fingers, so like for children, school going children's. And also the reservoir capacity is more. We can fill more than 3 ml of inks in this reservoir. And please note, since this is a transparent body, please do not use primary color inks, so that it will create a strain on the wall of the pen. And on pen maintenance, please wash the pen regularly, that is twice a month, because all dye based ink will precipitate on the long usage, so it will block the ink's passage in the feeder, so you will get a scratchy writing. And slowly you will get a quick drying experience, so you have to shake your pens for the ink flow. I think you might have experienced this, and the reason is the blockage in the feeder groove. So to clean the deposited inks and dirts in the feeder, please remove the feeder and the nib separately by holding the nib and the feeder together. So hold this tightly and twist and pull. So this is so simple. And yeah, here the nib portion and the feeder come out easily. Yeah, this is a very simple 2 minutes process, and then you can flush the feeder with any toothbrush or any brush as you have, and clean it well with soap water or in tap water. If you are soaking this in soap water, then allow it for 1 hour and brush and clean. And especially in Brill, you might have seen this, as yeah, let me show this. And this is so easy to fit this again. Here I'm taking the Brill bottle. Here the words were given: clean your pens with water before filling with Brill ink. Yeah, here the word is given. Its unique formulation prevents clogging and aids quick drying on paper. Yeah, so it is clear. Unless otherwise we have good cleaning and maintenance, the flow will be affected. And again, on pen maintenance, all the threads are tend to worn out. So to increase the life of the thread, please apply a silicone grease or a Vaseline over this grip area during you fill the ink in this pen. And also, whenever you fill the ink, please fill below the inner threads of the barrel, and if you fill in excess, leaking path will be created and you will spoil your hands. And the another thing is, few nibs needs nib tuning, means a fine tune, because during manual assembly of nibs the tines may stick together, so gently push the tines like up and down. For that you can use your fingers, means nails, or you can use any small knives. And whenever we dispatch the pen to the customers, we used to do this fine tuning and we will check before dispatching, and this is our usual practice. And another thing, to please ensure both the tines are in parallel, if not you will get a scratchy writing. So now I'm going to give a writing sample. For that I'm using our Penhouse Emerald Green ink. Yeah, here I'm dipping and drying the excess. Okay, the nib is writing so smooth as a butter flow, and the flow also coming out very well. Yeah, done. Then if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can call us in our number. And thanks for watching this video. Thank you.